Hello my friends. Welcome to Easy Drawing and Painting channel. Today we are going to draw and color 3 cute ice creams. Let's start drawing. First time I draw 3 circle S, like this. Yummy. Please subscribe the channel. Then I draw a heart here. I draw another ice cream with smiley mouth, like this. Excellent! Amazing! Let's start coloring. Green color, purple color, pink color, cream color, red color, orange color, green color, yellow color, blue color, red color, orange color, blue color, pink color. It's so beautiful. subscribe to the channel. See you the next video.